The following 4 wires are made of the same material. Which of these will have the largest extension when the same tension is applied? To determine which wire will experience the largest extension when the same tension is applied, we can use the formula for extension, which is nothing but delta L is equal to FL by AY, where F is nothing but the applied force, that is nothing but tension, L is the original length of the wire, A is the cross-sectional area of the wire, and Y is Young's modulus of the material, which is same for all the wires here. Since all the wires are made of the same material and are subjected to the same force, the extension delta L will depend on the ratio L by A. Thus, delta L is proportional to L by D square, and we need to calculate L by D square for each option and choose the one with the highest value, because highest value indicates the largest extension. Let's move to option A, where L is equal to 100 centimeter and D is equal to 1 mm. Thus, upon calculating, we get L by D square as 100. Then moving to option B, where L is equal to 200 centimeter and D is equal to 2 mm, and substituting, we get 50 as the answer. Checking for option C, where L is equal to 300 centimeter and D is equal to 3 mm, and upon substitution, we get L by D square as 33.33 approximately. Now checking for option D, where L is equal to 50 centimeter and D is equal to 0.5 mm. Applying these values in L by D square, we get 50 by 0.25, which is equal to 200. On comparing all the 4 options, the largest value of L by D square is for option D. So the wire with length 50 centimeter and diameter 0.5 mm will have the largest extension.